Hey everyone, in this video we are going to compare Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 2.0 Flash-lite preview as well as Gemini 2.0 Flash thinking experimental models by giving them math as well as coding prompts. So I have already done the same on Gemini 2.0 Pro. If you want to watch that, you can click on the card that is appearing on top. So now let's begin with the math problem. So here I'm having this particular math problem. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. So this is how it's getting pasted. It's not properly aligned, so it is going to be challenging for the model to parse this and find the output, because Gemini 2.0 Pro model actually wasn't able to parse this, and only after giving a screenshot yesterday it was able to parse it. So let's see if these models can solve it. So I'll just run. Yeah, it's giving the response so fast over here, and this is going to be the Flash-lite. Run. Same thing here also, and next is going to be the Flash thinking model. So I guess this will think for some time. So as you can see here, it's thinking for some time, similar to the O1, O3 mini as well as DeepSeek's R1 model. Then only it's going to give the response. The final answer is 3. Okay, but the final answer over here is -3. You can see answer is B, which is -3. So it has missed somewhere. So it has got the answer as -4. And the main reason why these models are giving the wrong answer is because I guess it's not able to parse this question. For example, here it's taking it as -8 by x minus 3 by x. Here it's -8 by x minus 3. But the right equation is -8x minus 3. So it's not able to parse this equation in the right way. But DeepSeek was able to parse this equation. V3 and the R1 model was able to parse it and give me the right answer. So let's see with the experimental Flash thinking model. Okay, it's still thinking. So what we can try now is, since it's parsing it wrongly, let's try giving it screenshot if it's able to answer it correctly now. So just going to get the screenshot, put it here, solve it. After giving the screenshot, Gemini 2.0 Flash has got the right answer, and yeah, Gemini 2.0 Flash-lite preview has also got the right answer. So it's not able to parse the equation right way, because I'm also like directly pasting it in this way, so I know it's going to be difficult to parse. So even after giving the screenshot, Gemini 2.0 Flash has given us the wrong answer. Okay, let's give another math problem now, this one. So I'm just going to copy this. Yeah, if it doesn't work again, I will go with screenshot. Okay, the right answer for this equation is 2, and every model has got it right, I guess. Yeah, it's true. 2 over here and 2 over here also, and this time it has parsed the equation in the right way. That's the reason why it has able to give us the right answer. So the 2.0 Flash model is quite good in answering, but 2.0 Flash thinking like kinda got the wrong answer for the first equation. So that's not bad, not a bad start to be honest. So now let's go with some coding problems. So first thing, let's start with this bouncing ball problem. So basically a rectangle will be spinning and there will be a ball inside that rectangle. So it needs to also move based upon the rectangle's movement, and it should also be affected by a gravity on a friction. Okay, we have got the responses. So just a direct HTML file, 2.0 Flash. I will just download it and open it. Okay, that doesn't do a good job. The ball is outside the rectangle and it's like, okay, this is totally messed up. The reason is because in the prompt I have clearly mentioned it needs to be inside a spinning rectangle, but this is totally bouncing off. So this is not a good one from 2.0 Flash. Okay, let me just close it. And next from 2.0 Flash-lite. Okay, rectangle is spinning. It has got the first half right, but I don't see a ball over here. So yeah, I guess 2.0 Flash was way better than this. So that's a big no. Close it. And let's see the Flash thinking one. Okay. Okay, Flash thinking has got the rectangle, but the ball has just gone outside somewhere. I'm not sure why it is having two rectangles, like rectangle inside another rectangle, and the ball is always outside the rectangle. The funny part is DeepSeek's V3R1 model also gave the wrong answer for this, like it wasn't perfect, but OpenAI's O3 mini model gave it perfectly for this prompt. Yeah, so that's the first prompt, and let's go with the easy one this time. So this is going to be give me my text, which is my channel name, in the most elegant and beautiful font with some animation. So this is way easier when compared to the first prompt that we gave, and let's see the response now. Okay, 2.0 Flash. Okay, that looks good. That's not bad. That looks decent. I like how the fade effect is in place, and I really like how it is looping, because when I tried this exact same prompt, it wasn't cyclic. It will just happen once and just stop. But I really like how this fades away and then comes out, then again goes faded and comes out. So that's really good. I would give it 100 for this. That's really good from Gemini 2.0 Flash and 2.0 Flash-lite now. Okay, why I didn't see anything over here. Let's go for 2.0 Flash experimental. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay, I like that underline style. So every time when I hover over it, I get this underlining effect. That's not bad. That's not bad from thinking model. But our Gemini 2.0 Flash-lite didn't give anything. Like I didn't see anything in the output, so I just gave it to rectify it, and it has given the result. And again, I didn't see anything. I'm not sure why this is happening, but yeah, it didn't give me anything in the output. So let's leave that and let's go with another prompt. And I'm saving the best one for the last. This is the best, like most interesting prompts of all. And I'm going to go with another one. This is going to be code to create a 2D map of the world. So I don't want animation, okay, just to create the 2D map of a world. All right. So this is going to be interesting. Let's see what it can give as a world map. So I'll just download 2.0 Flash. Okay, I'm not sure what exactly this is, but yeah, this is what it has given, and I'm not sure what's that, why are we getting that, but yeah. And this is going to be 2.0 Flash-lite. Okay, it has given it like there are 6 different shapes. I don't know, this is a rectangle, square, and I can't even identify what are these, but let me assume this is North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. It left out Antarctica, but yeah. So let's go with the thinking model. Okay, that's not what I wanted, but yeah, maybe I think this is like a too difficult prompt. I haven't tested this prompt with any of the other models, so I'm not exactly sure if this is like too difficult or something, but yeah, I thought it could be like manageable, but yeah, it's kind of difficult for the model to progress. So let's go with the final prompt, and this one is going to be creating a rain effect with lightning effect continuously, and needs to be super realistic just by using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So when I use this prompt with Gemini 2.0 Pro, it gave the rain effect perfectly, but the lighting effect wasn't realistic. So I was getting this blink effect. So let's see what these models are going to give us. So 2.0 Flash has given us. Okay, I really like the rain effect, but I don't see. Okay, I just saw a lightning effect. Yeah, exact same blinking effect. But when I use the exact same prompt with O3 mini, I literally got that zigzag lightning effect randomly. It was hyper realistic. So yeah, I'm getting the blink effect, but yeah, O3 mini was better than that because it was more realistic. So I won't say this is bad, but yeah, Flash-lite gives us, I guess it's going to be the same one. Okay, I didn't expect that. At least it tried the lightning, but that doesn't look like a lightning. It needs to be more zigzagged and random. It can't be like a straight line, inclined line, something. But I really like how it has actually attempted to give a lightning effect. Yeah, I won't say that's bad to be honest, but yeah, it has at least given an attempt. So let's go with the final one, Gemini 2.0 Flash thinking. Okay, maybe it's like drizzling very less, and whenever it drizzles we never see lightning. So that's what we get from Gemini 2.0's thinking. Very minimalistic rain. So that's the video, guys. So in my opinion, when it comes to math, 2.0 Flash and 2.0 Flash-lite are doing so good, and even in coding also, I guess they did a pretty good job. So do let me know in the comments what you think, and do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in Sora, ChatGPT, comparing models, AI APIs, OpenAI, Gemini AI API, and other AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.